Good evening everybody. I am Taposhi Goldar and I am a teacher and I am a student of EFA Spoken English class.
Hello everyone, I'm Mollika Maiti. I'm currently preparing for IELTS and I'm also a EFA student.
Hello everyone, I am Vijaya Roy. I am a student journalism and mass communication and I also student EFA Spoken English class.
Hello everyone, I am Mother and I am a school teacher and I am also a student of EFA Spoken English class.
Hello everyone, my name is Ponraj Kormakar and I'm a student of class 9 as well as EFA.
Good evening everyone, my name is Priyanka Jha. I read in class 12 and I am also a student of EFA.
Today we are going to participate in a debate at EFA and our subject is homemakers are better mom than a working lady. And we are supporting working lady, we are team A and they are supporting homemakers and they are team B. I personally support working lady who are better moms than homemakers because personally I am also a working lady and I do all my work and all my things for my daughter and my home also, and then I go for my working place and when I come at my home I do all my things what I can do for them.
I want to say one thing about this. For a homemaker, I have a mother who is homemaker and who is always in my duty. Means she arranges what needful things for me. She always can help me.
Yes, but you should help yourself also. All time your mother will not with you. And suppose your mother would be a single mother, then what she can do for you? Except money, she can do nothing for you.
On this topic, I will say that yeah, you are correct, but sometimes a children's must have be need to her mother and his mother, because a mother only person who is give a back support, who is give a confidence to their children, that is not give them anybody with their family.
It's not like that when a mother will be always in a home, she will be can support mentally or physically. It's not like that. She can work, she can do anything she wants. She also can support mentally and physically.
But sometime we found that the child is too small and they cannot done their own work, cannot do their own work. So they suppose to need her mother, and sometimes they are abused by their nannies. So it's essential to stay with her. A mother is so necessary for a child, I think so.
I want to say one thing, that children always need someone for with her or him, like for their needs. Like if he or she facing some problem, then he or she can talk with her or him mother to overcome from that problem.
A mother is not just a mother, she is a lady also. So she has her own world, she has her own desires also. So if you think that a mother should be only a mother, this is very difficult for a lady also.
Nowadays, children choose bad things first, like smoking, drinking. For this, for overcoming this, they have to need someone who will guide them, who will help them to overcome this phase. And for this, the mother is very important for a child.
It does not matter that mom is working or homemaker. She has to spend quality times with their children, because quality times is mandatory, not quantity of time. You can spend quality of time and you can taught them what is wrong or what is right.
Sometimes working mothers spend too much time in their offices or their work, so they do not spend enough time with their child. so they are not so close to their child. So sometimes when they think I am spending quality time, but it was not like that. They think I am spending quality time, but the distance between the child and the mother is huge. So they do not share their emotion, their difficulties with their mother. So I think the mother is a vital person in a child life, that if she spend too much time with their child, the problem may be solved.
And you told about quality time. Homemaker mother can spend quality time every day and whole day with their child.
I know many homemakers. They were at home, but when their children coming from home, she was sleeping, and her children called her for food, but they told that please take it yourself.
Like the way she said that children doesn't spend so much time with mom also, though those moms are homemakers. Nowadays children are so busy with their social media, all those things on mobile. They don't spend that much time with mom also. The homemaker's mom also feel alone. The quality time that should spend with children and mother also. It's not like that the mom is working, she can, if she doesn't spend 3 hours, 4 hours with the child, she doesn't give that time. That doesn't mean that it is not a quality time. She can be close in a small time also.
As you said that nowadays children are spending more time with WhatsApp, Facebook or social media, and in that reason a mother can show the right way to their children to go this way to that way for overcome these problems.
The duty is not only for mothers. Who said that this duty is only for mothers? Why not dad can do this?
Mothers are always a special one.
This is very
A child
wrong.
always need a mother. Without mother, a child cannot do anything, I think, because if a father is dead, then a child cannot grow up properly. But his working mother
I saw many body that her mother is dead and they grew up very well.
But it's so rare. I think it's so rare because
This is
their
very,
father
very
doing
wrong.
second marriage, and their life going to be so hell. But if the father died, their mothers.
If mother is single mother, then what mother can do?
We cannot depend on a thing that it may be, it may not be, maybe.
You
So
said that
some
if
people said
mother died,
maybe.
so I
Maybe
said-
a father died, maybe a mother died. That world do not depend on a maybe.
You
it's,
also
it's
said that
always
maybe
depend what
father-
is there. If a mother is at home, his child is always be a perfect person, because
Then mother has no life, other life also. The mother is also
I am
very-
here because of my mother, because she was not a working lady. She was a homemaker, and she makes her home as a dreamland. And my father goes to his office at proper time, well dressed, and we are also goes to our school as proper way with our tiffin box.
But
with
our father
dress.
did.
I think so.
Our father washed our clothes.
But
I remember that.
But sometimes we have some problem, like we can't share our father, or we can't share our.
Then what about mama's problem?
No, I want to
See,
say that we can't share our. Sometimes we got some problem.
You
we get some problem.
you should think about your mummy also.
Yeah,
Not just
obviously.
mine. Mine problem
Why
is
she
not.
shouldn't think about
So-
herself also. She has also her own world. Why a mother have to stay home all day? She has her own world also.
I think their world is with us.
No. Who
Very
says?
wrong. very selfish person.
at the end of the day, she is also a human being. The thing you are doing outside of the world, outside of the home, she also have that. She also want to do that for her child and any other family problem. She sacrifices her dreams, right? So children or family other members also have to support her. The way she is working outside, the other family members also have to support equally. The way she is supporting her husband and other family members also.
Your mother should support you.
Why the mother have to support all the time? Why shouldn't the other family members support her equally?
The baby is in mother womb for 9 months, so the connection is very the relationship is very strong. Nobody can change the relation and nobody can comparison the relation with their relations.
That's why I think there is a vibe into the sound of mother. Yes.
Then a baby should also understand her mother. Why mother should understand baby? Why? This is not one-sided love.
Mother has given the birth of the baby, that's why the mother can only understand their problems and their solution. She also knew their solution.
Yes, I am agreed with you. But where it is written that working lady can understand their babies?
Because they are
If
not
she is working, then she can't understand.
because
Listen to
because
me,
they are
when I
not
get
because
salary.
they are not spend so much quality time with their children.
Who said
Comparison
that?
then to
Who
homemaker.
said that?
moms.
I am also a working lady and I spend
But
so
it is-
many quality times with my daughter.
but it is not happen with
But
someone,
in
no?
general, it is
Everyone.
not happen to these mothers also who is homemakers. She spend their times in gossiping, mobiles and TV serials also.
Sometime before some time you are saying
Now time is up. I will just take the mic and very good performance, Team A and Team B. I would like to say that a mother is a mother, whether working or a homemaker, and mothers are always the best. On this note, let's wrap it up.